My name is Bill Wireman. I am the service training specialist here at Logan Services. And today we're here to answer some questions about furnace issues. The three things I would probably check first as a homeowner is going to be your air filter first. Does this thing look bad? Is it dirty? Has it been a while since you looked at it? If it needs to be replaced, replace it. The second thing is there power to the unit? So it could be a tripped breaker in your breaker panel, or maybe the light switch on the side of the furnace just got bumped and turned off somehow. And also another one is the drain. A lot of times these have drain safety switches that if they detect the drain backing up, it could be causing the furnace to not cycle on. So anytime you've done the basic checks and you've stretched yourself about as far as you can, it's time to call for a service technician to come and evaluate what's going on with your system.